how to access and create a site. If you are an active AUB user, faculty member, or staff, you can create your own WordPress webpage on our self-service platform provided by AUB IT. Navigate to sites.aub.edu.lb and click on Create a Site button. You will be asked to log in using your AUB credentials. After you log in, choose your site's name, which will become your site's URL following sites.aub.edu.lb. Then, choose your site and title language. You have different privacy options to make your site public, private, or password protected. Please read our terms of service carefully and note that you will be responsible for your own content. After you successfully create your site, you will be greeted by the platform. Click on the site's URL to navigate your site. You can see the enabled Divi theme. We haven't yet selected a preset, so this page will look empty for now. Go back to Dashboard, find Settings on your left, and select Reading. If you'd like your webpage to remain static, click on Static Page, then choose which page you want to set as your home page. If you wish to have a blog, select Your Latest Posts. Then click Save Changes at the bottom left corner. We can see that our site now has a static front page. To edit this page, click on Edit Page. You'll be redirected to the page editor. We strongly advise you to use the Divi editor. Click on Use Divi Builder. Then click on Switch to New Divi Builder. Click on Use Divi Builder again, and you'll now be using the latest version of Divi. You'll find 3 options to start from. Click on Browse Layouts to select the theme for your homepage. You'll find a variety of themes to choose from. Select one that suits your preference. You can always edit the colors and content later. With Divi, you can select a different theme or layout for each page on your webpage, if you wish to do so. Once you've selected the theme, click on Use this layout. Then click Update to the right. To view your changes, click on View Page at the top. Another advantage of using Divi is the Visual Builder. Click on Enable Visual Builder at the top of your page. This feature is useful for those who do not like editing in the back end. For more technical assistance, contact AUB IT.